The cairns became shrines, and it was required ritual for every gull who wished oneness to drop a pebble and a doleful speech upon the cairn. No one knew what oneness was, but it was such a serious, deep thing that a gull could never ask without being thought a fool. And so the pile of pebbles on the rock of oneness, in sacred memory of Gull Fletcher, was the biggest pile of pebbles on any coastline anywhere on earth. Other piles were built everywhere in replica. And each Tuesday afternoon, the flock walked over to stand around the pebbles and hear the miracles of Jonathan Livingston Seagull and his gifted divine students. Nobody did any more flying than was absolutely necessary. And when it was necessary, they grew strange customs around it. As a kind of status symbol, the more affluent birds began carrying branches from trees in their beaks. The larger and heavier the branch a gull carried, the more attention he earned in the flock. I love these lines from Jonathan Livingston Seagull by Richard Bach. Have we forgotten the intent of the rituals and traditions that we have inherited? Weren't these traditions or rituals intended to cleanse us or increase our vitality? Somehow down the line, we have become like those gulls who feel that we will be called a fool if we ask questions. We also become like those gulls who extravagantly follow these rituals just to flaunt their status without actually believing in them. So, can we truly delve into these rituals, the intent of that, and try to understand that for our own selves? Let's think about it.